My name is Basith Mohammed, and this is my CS50P final project. CS50P is an online course offered by Harvard on edX, and it is an introduction to Python programming. I've also taken Introduction to C programming, CS50X, and Introduction to Game Development with CS50, which is CS50G. And both of those final projects are also on this channel. And I am 17 years old and live in Piscataway, New Jersey, in the United States of America. For my final project, I made a fraction calculator, which is an in-terminal, user-friendly calculator that can perform these different fraction capabilities on the side. So here's a quick demonstration of my program. So if I just run it here, as you can see, welcome to the fraction calculator. Just click enter to continue. Let me just do some addition. Let's do 1/2 plus 1/3, which should equal 5/6. There we go. So now let's run it again. Let's do multiplication, which is 3/4 times 1/2, and I get 3/8 as my answer. So let's just quit the program there. So that's a basic demonstration of how the program should run. Next is the program structure. So here's my general program structure, which just works with main and then a few functions in order to help run. So the first one is menu, which basically runs the program and then prompts the menu and then sees if the user wants to quit or continue making operations or calculations. Get f, which uses regular expressions in order to get a proper n/d, numerator slash denominator format for a fraction. Operate, which just takes two fractions and then a operation and then performs the operation. And then here's how I do the math, the addition and subtraction operations, and here's how I do the multiplication and division operations. Simplify, which takes a fraction and then simplifies it into the simplest form, just gets the greatest common factor, divides both the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor. So I made a function called GCF in order to get the greatest common factor. And then also have two decimal, which basically takes a fraction and converts it to a decimal by turning the numerator and denominator to a float and dividing them. So for testing, here are the four different functions I tested, and the kind of different use cases and corner cases of each function that I decided to test. So let's just run PyTest here. Let's clear and then PyTest, and then boom, as you can see, all the tests do pass. Let's just go back here. And yeah, that's basically my final project. It was a simple fraction calculator. And I just want to say thank you to the CS50 team, the edX team, and everyone in the discussions who helped me throughout this. And I can't wait to start programming with Python.